Phase 5. The main focus was to eliminate the number of wires that were used in the project. After a bit of R&D, I was able to come up with a current version, which is clean and compact. There was, however, a loss that I suffered. The IMU sensor, one of the crucial components for stable flight, got damaged. And so, I'm yet to get a replacement, which means stable flight still eludes me. If you are traveling abroad, I would not mind helping me get one. I would appreciate it. For now, we can give it a test. The propeller is powerful enough, able to at least lift the drone, but without the IMU sensor, stable flight cannot be achieved. The screen in this instance is to give updates on what's going on in the drone. And, well, for this experiment I'll be using only one propeller, seeing as how I'm only one man and I only have two hands. And given what I learned this morning, you must never attempt to grab a propeller spinning at full power. An obvious lesson, I know, but I guess I just had to relearn it. So let's just connect it to the drone. Now for this, I will be using typed commands. I did try with voice commands, but it's a bit risky, seeing as how once the propeller starts spinning, it gets a bit noisy, so the voice command gets lost in all the noise. And the last time I took it all the way up to full power, getting it back down was a bit of a problem, and I had to disconnect the power. So I can start it off at a low value of 2. Can take it up to 3. So I would say that for this current instance, it works so far. But until I can get this replaced, there's not much that I can do. And so the project will be on hold until further notice.